What if I told you that gratitude isn't something you feel? It's something you learn to observe, and then over a period of time, it becomes your nature. The happiest people aren't grateful because life is easy. They're grateful because they've discovered something the rest of us keep forgetting. And thousands of years ago, Buddha, the yogis, and the great philosophers all pointed to the same extraordinary truth. Most people think gratitude means saying thank you. Ancient wisdom says otherwise. Gratitude is not a polite gesture, it is a way of seeing reality. Every breath you take, every meal you eat, every book you've ever read, every opportunity you've ever received exists because of countless people you'll never meet. The ego says, I did this. Wisdom quietly replies, thousands made this possible. The moment you truly see this, gratitude stops being an emotion. It becomes your natural state. The Buddha used a beautiful word, katanyuta. It means knowing what has been done for you. Notice, not feeling, knowing. Seeing, remembering. Gratitude begins the moment you recognize that your life has always depended upon others. The food on your table, the roof above your head, the language you speak, every one of them is a gift from countless unseen hands. Gratitude weakens the ego because the ego keeps asking, what do I deserve? Gratitude asks, what have I already received? Yoga teaches 3 timeless principles. Santosha, which means contentment. Not because life is perfect, because peace stops waiting for tomorrow. Aparigraha, meaning non-attachment. The less we cling, the easier gratitude appears. Ishvaru Pranidanu, which means surrender, trusting life even when we cannot understand it. Acceptance becomes gratitude. Perhaps gratitude isn't about having more. Perhaps it's about finally seeing how much has always been here. Every advertisement tells us, you're missing something. Buy this, become that. Earn more. Look younger. Ancient wisdom tells a very different story. You are not unhappy because you have too little. You're unhappy because you've forgotten how much you already have. Gratitude is not the enemy of ambition. It is the foundation of peace. Modern neuroscience now confirms what ancient masters discovered centuries ago. Gratitude changes the brain. It interrupts the mind's natural tendency to search only for problems. Slowly, your attention begins noticing beauty, kindness, possibility instead of constant lack. Your world changes because your perception changes. Most people believe happiness creates gratitude. Ancient wisdom says gratitude creates happiness. Nothing outside changes first, the observer changes. Tonight, before sleeping, ask yourself 3 questions. Who made my life easier today? What challenge taught me something valuable? What ordinary thing would I miss tomorrow if it disappeared tonight? Repeat every evening, watch your life slowly transform. Gratitude isn't pretending life is perfect, it's refusing to become blind to its gifts. The happiest people are rarely those who have the most. They're the ones who observe the most. If this message resonated with you, subscribe and join us as we continue exploring timeless wisdom for modern life. Until next time, may you see what has always been there.